What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Beerents Garage. I have to do that, I feel. I don't know why. But welcome back to Beerents Garage. Today it's hotter than... I'll get out. 100 and something degrees today. Good old Texas summer with humidity. So we're getting started a little late tonight, but hey, that's alright. I had to take a ride on the old bike this morning. Just get my head right, just let the worries of the world, wander away. Took her out for about overall it was probably about 110, 120 miles. It's a good ride for me, the farthest one I've taken so far, so hey. We're coming along. But today I am finally, I'm hoping to get to an install today. I don't know if I'm going to. But we are going to finally unbox and get rid of this huge monstrosity of a box today. It's some parts for the truck, and these are, something I've been wanting to do the truck for years. Not a huge modification or anything like that, but it'll kind of help make the truck flow a little better. I'm just gonna say up front, don't mind the truck, she needs a bath. Again, daily driver. She doesn't get washed too often. But let's check it out, see what happens. Well, that worked. I cannot wait to get this out of the box. Get out of the garage. Yes, Bob, I'm cleaning out the garage. He knows who he is. That's such constructive criticism. I just found out my video editing got updated this week. Hopefully I can speed up the game now. I could not use Adobe Premiere Pro, and I've grown a little comfortable with Adobe Premiere Rush. I don't know, there's no rush, not that. That way, something won't need to be saying, because something can be something that's just a facial piece and how it works. Let's see how this should come down. This thing fit up in my truck. I have a long bed. Go figure. That's what's going to make. Well, according to the box label, it's the right stuff. Let's see here. I will say package well. That's it. That's the answer. If I know we open it up, well, it is packaged or not. Let's see. Okay. Down. That's open. That's open. It's like up here, right? Do that. How the hell is that going? Okay, so where's the cheap? Right here, door. I feel like I do. Yeah, we got everything's right. Hey, hello. Hey, flat open. We're going nowhere, you know. Wait. I don't know, see it. I want to see how it's working with my truck, okay. We got us some GoRhino Dominator D3 wheel-to-wheel side steps. I think trucks should have come with a wheel-to-wheel type of Nerf bar or whatever you want to call it. I guess that's our handy-dandy packaging or accessories. See what kind of instructions these include. I mean, it looks like it was packed well. We're gonna take a little sit and find out how to do this. All right, so I got the stock ones removed. Running boards, that is. I'm not gonna walk around and show both sides, that'd be silly. But hey, if you're super lucky like me, and your stock running boards were held on super good, you'll have 7 bolts per side because the transmission's been out 300,000 times. Yeah, that was good. I got that side done. Walk on real quick. Yeah, she's all done. Working on the other side. I'm gonna bring you guys under and kind of show how it all gets mounted real quick. Trying this with the old 8-min A79. We'll see how the resolution is. But so that was a factory mount up there. That was a factory mount right there. And it utilizes this factory mount right here. So it gives you kind of like the factory style clippy thing up there. You put in 2 right here, 2 up here. Uses 2 13mm bolts. One, it's all metric standard, but I use 13 here, a 15 here, and 15s here. These two match. So I left these all loose, and then I just need to slide up the bolt, the step bar real quick, and it should go. So I'm gonna be honest, so far I got the passenger side done. It is not a super hard install at all. I managed to do all this by myself. Yes, that's my fancy old blackout curtain. That's too small for any window in this house, so it got transformed into whatever the hell that is. Okay, so setup is key, I guess. Moment of truth. Gotta put everything in the right spot. Okay, all the mounts lined up this time. Alright, so on the last one, I was able this is not going to work now, is it? Yep. So I'll have to leave it slide like both in. Just pretty much line right up and held. Probably good for health. Get I'm not on it, so don't go anywhere. We're good. If I nose down real quick, I'm going to go. Maybe I just go get my head out, my GoPro, and go underneath with me. But it really is a pretty straightforward install, it's not hard. But definitely recommend tightening these as much as you can by hand, and then obviously I'll go underneath and tighten everything up. But again, it's better, looks a lot better to me than back with crap. At first I like the fact that I can access the better truck. So, really good idea. People like it. I will tell you, I do not give you any extra hardware exposure. I do only put a couple. I'm going to pay probably I'll go in there for you, but you know, extra cent or two is going to hurt somebody. Thanks for charging first. Don't rub off one. Let's see here. Alright, good to go. Yeah, seriously, there's no hardware. It's super late. I don't know what's super late, but it's not something that nature. Here, I'll maybe a dirt track that I'm still racing, so I'm going to get out. But the noise I heard this. That's not, I don't think. I've been eyeing these for, God, probably 2 or 3 years. I don't know why I never just went ahead and bought them. And guess what? You need to get the right one. Watch the small. Sweet. Could be alright. Not yet, but 16 on the side, so kind of bad, I don't think. Alright, so 15 mil wrench and 15 mil socket. Let me go super hard on it. Just walk down. I'm going to go ahead and do all this. Do the bottom one first, then I'll go back under and tighten all that out. Oh, barely have going left there. Change the sucker real quick. Get all the little ones up top. Excuse me. I apologize a bit for the little light level conditions, but I'll tell you what, it's about 100,000 degrees here today, so that needs this install very necessary to do. Two more back. Really? Just gotta take these off and we're set. Let's see what she looks like. Oh. I really like that. I don't think I like how close it comes to the tire, but that's pretty nice stuff right there. Check out the other side real quick. y'all, besides washing her, that's a wrap. Yeah, no, they made a pretty clean product, I think. Oh, that's good stuff right there. See how it's placed right. Get in here. I'll never get me back. Yeah, should be good. I only drive. Because why wouldn't I? Well, it feels pretty good. It was a good product. So I'm trying to do an intro and an outro. I feel that's what a lot of YouTubers do. So this is just something I wanted to say to y'all, my subscribers, people that are watching. Thank you so much for watching. It really does bring me great joy to do this stuff. It gives me something to do. Not that I don't have other stuff to do, but I mean, it's become a hobby, a pastime, and I'm having good fun with it. So I did order, some of you that have been watching probably kind of got a little annoyed by that thing. So no more fuzzy thing. I ordered a cold shoe extension for the Ulanzi case that I have. Just Google Ulanzi for the audio adapter and such. It holds it for the Hero 7 and the Rode microphone, and no more fuzzy thing for y'all. But please do comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Helps me out a little bit, and maybe we'll grow the channel. Maybe we won't. Who knows? But either way, let's have fun doing it. Thanks.